Dobar dan, dobri ljudi. Branko Ranđelović, as always, serbianlures.com, and today we are at Dejan Madić's house. Dejan Madić, which everybody knows as Mada.
Mada,
Very
yes,
simple.
yes.
Mada. And when you say in Serbia Mada, and you don't get mixed up with another dude that also makes lures, but I don't pronounce his name anymore. So this is Mada, city of Zaječar, town, not a city, town, small. Manje, town. City, it's million, 2 million.
Okay.
Town, 40,000, 30,000.
Yes.
So around 30,000 people live in the city of Zaječar. They have a Danube very close. It's close, Danube.
Yes.
Yeah, so you have a huge river where you can go fishing and all. You have a small river, more of a mountain river called Timok. Yeah. And you have a couple of lakes nearby. Small lakes, two or three lakes. And a lot of small streams, because all around Zaječar there are mountains. And so this is basically where you can check out what have you done with your own hands. Imaš da probaš.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna do a standard Q&A because we haven't shown you his work and all. We just finished up with the formalities. He signed the contract, okay, with me.
Yes.
That's it, he's mine. And we're gonna finish it up standardly with signing it in blood.
Yes,
You don't have a choice because 85 kilos, 120 kilos. Okay, fine. And we're gonna show that a little bit later, but we're gonna do a standard Q. Sorry. Now that you have signed the contract, okay, you are a member of the team.
Yes, I understand.
Fine, you're fine with it.
Fine.
Yeah, because me as a coach, I already shown you that I know how to work as a team. We are selling in Russia this year. Did you make for Russia at least 500 lures, maybe more, for Russian market? Maybe more?
Maybe more.
Here we have 100.
100, yes.
Before that we had at least 2 times for the same distributor around 70. That's 140, 240, and for another shop we had around 150. 700. At least 500. So, and now he signed it all, and you're now the member of the team. Serbian Lures Handmade.
Da.
Okay? So that's it.
That's it.
And after you sign it in blood, you know, what can I tell you? It's all about trust. So here you are. You need to wear it day, night, fishing.
Every time.
All the time, man. I'm not gonna get into detail and all.
Thank you.
And listen, we have to, you know.
Cheers.
Yeah, we have to put a stamp on it with the Serbian rakia. Živeli. Just a little bit. You have to work afterwards. So let's do the Q&A. Why did you start making lures? What happened in your head? You speak in Serbian, I'll translate.
Okay. Pa počeo sam pred 30 godina.
So around 1990, something like that, he started making lures.
Iz neke znatiželje.
Yeah, so he just
Bilo mi je zanimljivo pecanje.
wanted to see if he can make something different because he's a very keen fisherman and a hunter too. Loviš isto.
Da. Ovo nije imalo gde da se kupi.
Yeah, so maybe if some wrong people get into house uninvited.
8 mm Mauser.
8 mm Mauser, I found this one on the floor. I asked him, listen, why is it on the floor? He kind of didn't give me a straightforward answer.
Nije dobro
I don't
za
know.
mene.
No, listen, ne objašnjam.
Ne,
Nepozvano uđeš,
No.
jebi ga. So, you were curious if you can make a lure that will catch fish and all, and you started making those. So this one has wood.
Wood.
Then you have
Konzerva.
I already forgot it, just too much rakia. When you drink rakia, you only speak Serbian, that's it. So, what you had nearby, you just decided to make a lure and you fished here in Timok, yeah?
Da, Timok.
The bigger mountain river, in the city limits, in the center of the city. So you caught some chub.
Chub.
Yeah, did you test it laterwards on trout or something like that?
Yes.
Did you catch too? Yeah. And when you saw that there was a result, you caught fish on it, you became more curious.
Da. Onda poklanjao sam varalice, ljudi su počeli da mi se javljaju.
Okay,
Onda su zadovoljni.
yeah, so basically the same story as any other craftsman in Serbia, now a craftsman. In the beginning it was a hobby, a curiosity, a kind of a wish to prove to yourself that you can make something that will catch fish, since you are an angler. And afterwards it kind of developed into a lure with which he was satisfied himself. Znači, već onda već pravio nešto što tebi.
Da, jedinstveni osjećaj kada se uhvati riba na nešto koje si ti napravio lično.
Yeah.
I onda sam taj osjećaj pokušao da prenesem i drugim.
Da, so the same motivation, the same basis of making lures is it's a kind of a unique feeling when you catch a fish and you are an angler on a lure that you made yourself. So then there's a desire to create more diversity and to kind of transfer that feeling of satisfaction to other anglers. And
yes.
Afterwards you shown it to a shop owner here in Zaječar and so on and so forth. So when did you really started to sell lures? What was it, 95, 96, 97? Or do you remember it all?
Možda pre 25 godina.
Yeah, so around 25 years ago he really started selling lures.
Yes.
Of course doing other jobs. And then you met me and we started selling to Russia. I'm joking, but I think at least pa bar 15 godina ti to prodaješ.
Da, sigurno.
You always have something to do every month.
Najviše sam krenuo kad sam ostao bez posla.
Yeah.
Nisam se mnogo zabrinuo, prioritisao sam se samo na ovo.
So between switching different jobs, he wasn't worried at all. There was always food on the table because he has always been, since 96, he has been always making lures, different types of lures. Here we have an order for the Russian market where it's more made for taimen, just completely ready.
Only lips.
You have to put the lip in and then you dip it 2 or 3 times in different types of protection, and that's it. It's ready for the Russian market. Also he makes lures for zander, for pike, for catfish, which are more popular here. Chub too, trout, and basically all of them are made by his own hands, which you can see in the footage that is in front of your eyes right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna do a little bit of a montage. You're already worried about it, but don't worry. Nemoj da brineš, napravit ću ja da valja. He's a professional cameraman, so this is why he's worried. He can see that I'm a true amateur. I'm just, showing the things how they are. So that was the way the things developed, and right now you make around, 20 types of lures, oko 20 različitih vrsta, modela, maybe even more.
Da, mislim da je toliko, možda i malo manje, vremenom se to iskristališe, šta hvata ribu, šta ne.
Yeah, so maybe a little bit less, because in the end you don't need that much of diversity. You find around 10 to 15 shapes that are really effective, depending on the type of the water, depending on the season, depending on the lip, the diving depth, and
night, day.
Yeah, night, day. It all depends, but in the end, I think there is around 15 maybe models and colors.
I don't know.
30, 40, 50, you don't know.
Maybe more.
Yeah, maybe more, because every color is different. If you take this one orange and you don't put these silver stripes, it's going to be different. It's going to have a different effect. And if you pull out the rattle, it's going to be a different lure. Without the rattle, with the rattle. Yeah, and now I have to ask you another thing. First sexual experience. It's a standard question, not because of me. I always need to, switch it. You don't remember?
Not for TV.
Not for. Listen. Arso was honest. Arso Calypso said.
No, okay. I don't know.
He even thought about it, about showing it. I said no showing, no explaining, just how old he was, But no. Okay, fine. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but was it a man or a woman? No, he was a woman, of course. We're in Serbia.
I have a woman and...
Yeah, he's a wife. Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah, I know. And I don't know. Is there anything else that I need to add? You think we're done?
Yeah,
for the first time. But the next time we should go fishing.
Okay.
You know, do a little bit of videos of underwater action of the lures. Yeah, you sent me, but the wrong ones.
Okay.
We need to do more. You know.
More.
We can even do it today if you want.
Day.
No, today.
Today.
Not today.
No.
Not today. Okay, next time. He's gonna do it himself. And I don't know. That's it. The only thing that is left is to draw some blood. Yeah, you listen. You just have to do it. I don't care about this shit. You know, this is just a piece of paper, and here I have your DNA. You know, I have a DNA, and if you say I don't remember and all, I just scratch it a little bit, do a little bit of analysis, and that's it. You know, I have everything that I need. I'm sounding like a devil, and I'm not. That would be it. That's the first Q&A. We'll do some more of these, and we'll do it fishing. Okay, just showing.
Another time.
Yeah. We'll find time, and that's it for today. Doviđenja. We always do it in Serbian. Ciao. Doviđenja, zdravo. Yeah, and see you next time.
Okay.
Zdravo.
Zdravo.